In this video, we are going to see how we can add the Snapchat link to your Facebook profile. So if you want to add the Snapchat handle on the Facebook profile so that the people can contact you there as well, here's what you need to do. First of all, just head over to your profile and click on the About section. And from here, we click on the contact info. And as you can see, there are all social media link options. I've added a couple of them, but if you want to add more, let's click on this little pencil icon to edit this. And from here, we can add a social link if we scroll down a little bit. And let's say that this is Saad/Snapchat, whatever, something like that. You want to add the Snapchat link. So just switch it to Snapchat from here and click on save. After that, you should be able to see the Snapchat link along with this icon right here. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.